Hello and welcome to another episode of the Popcorn Hour. Today, I, Shantanwanam, and
You don't know my name?
Akanksha.
Akanksha. Yes,
And
yes.
Akanksha.
Introduce yourself.
I'm Akanksha, if you all did. Apsara.
Apsara, as people in the comments have been calling her for some
Nobody, I
strange
call
reason.
myself.
There is one stalker in the comments who calls her Apsara. Who
Show
we are
him your
addressing.
feet.
Thank you. Show him your feet.
Did it start happening
Should I
after
see?
your bare feet
Nothing.
gate?
Yeah, show,
I have only created
at
that
the end of
account.
the episode, Akanksha will take her chappals off and show her bare
And
feet to
so
her
So stay
audience.
till the end.
Today we're here to discuss Nepo Babies, a title that we do not enjoy.
What's
and
that?
to discuss Nepo Babies, we have famous outsider, famous non-Nepo baby, Manvi Gagru in the house, a dear friend, quizzer, first lady of Indian quizzing, first lady of Indian quizzing, prolific actor on stage and on screen for the last how many ever years, more than a decade, at least 2 decades. Disney kid.
I was like, yeah.
Disney kid.
Always start with that.
We
So
have-
then the number of years add
Dhoom
up
Machao
well.
Dhoom in the house. We have Dhoom Machao Dhoom in the house. We have Manvi, who's worked on everything from sketch comedy to stage
Everything.
to screen to every possible type of acting that is
With
possible.
little success in any of them.
Not true. Siddhi
Wait.
Piddhi is
Yeah, that's a
iconic.
lie.
What did you just say?
Siddhi Piddhi is iconic.
Piddhi
अगर
is
तूने देखा
iconic.
होता ना मेरा
पागल
show, you
आदमी.
would have known what
मैंने
she's
देखा
I
talking
just
है.
want
about.
to say
मैंने
this, and
देख-
this is on record. I've seen every episode thoroughly.
So, thank you all for coming out. Really.
And my sister
And
loved
liked
watching
it.
that show.
Yeah.
Yeah.
क्योंकि
You're talking about Dhoom Machao Dhoom? Siddhi Piddhi?
Yeah, I've been following
No.
her.
I know
No
what
one
you're
can
talking
justify
about.
it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
yeah,
know.
yeah.
Of course I know. Of course I know
See,
what you're
what-
talking
what are we
You're talking about Question Mark, your movie with Varun Dhak. Your Blair Witch project with
My
Varun
Blair
Dhak.
Witch project.
I've seen all of Question Mark. of it.
You
then-
and one other person maybe.
And-
All the events and incidents shown in this film are purely coincidental and intentional.
And I have given Varun Thakur a review saying कि तू question mark में भी best friend का role कर रहा था. You are not the leading man of question mark. But thank you so much for joining us. Today, as we discussed, are talking about
Nepo babies.
Neps.
A term.
Neps.
Neps.
The Neps.
That's a good short form. Neps को ठीक है, Neps बोलेंगे हम Neps
Further
बोलेंगे.
abbreviate
Yeah.
Nepo to Nepo babies. And I am fairly unstructured in how I like to talk. But Akanksha has a set of topics.
Hello,
Yeah.
myself,
With-
ADHD.
Hello,
Yeah.
me too. On Inspiral 10 mg currently, which is why wired. So coffee makes it worse.
Mine is corporate job and all I do. So I would have ideally liked to prepare a PPT deck also. But I'm held back.
God, you're one of those.
Yeah. But here she,
But I'm held
Excel
back.
she
sheet
does
निकाल
catch.
के she'll be-
तो ये phone निकाल के फिर scroll
Yeah,
करके
yeah,
क्या
I'll-
discuss
I'll
करना
make
है.
it.
यहाँ पे
Word.
project होगा presentation. Next slide.
So tell us what we start with.
First question is let's deconstruct the word. ठीक है? What do we think of the
Neps.
word?
Yeah.
Let's introduce a new word. No, but what do we think of the word Nepo babies? Like, एक तो when
Like,
did we
how
get
do we
introduced
define
to
Nepo
it?
baby
हाँ,
is what you're
हाँ.
saying.
And when did you get introduced to it? Because I don't think growing up we were using the word Nepo. Na?
We did know of the term, but I think it was very like one of the isms, you know,
Correct.
like ऐसा, we just knew the
Yeah.
definition. I don't think we,
Yeah.
like I had never faced the repercussions till I,
Yeah. Yeah.
I felt the weight of the word only after entering.
Yeah.
Yeah, but so I think we need to differentiate between NEPs and privilege.
Privilege.
You know,
I fully agree with this.
Because
This is
a
the
lot of
core
people confuse
differentiation.
that.
Exactly.
हाँ.
Just because you're born into a family that
Of
had
wealth or whatever. Like you
or
come
had like
from,
an industry backing doesn't mean that you also had privilege. There are lots of people who didn't have that, right?
Correct. That and the other way around. Like there are a lot
Ah.
of people who come from wealthy families, but they may not necessarily get
That's
an upper
Access.
hand, in this industry.
Correct,
Like,
correct,
we're also
correct.
talking strictly of this industry.
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
Yeah.
We don't
Like,
care
We
about
don't care about
politics and all. Yeah,
corporate
we don't
and
care.
politics and all of that.
Like Sharvari, for instance, is someone who comes from an immensely illustrious political family.
background.
Oh,
But is not, she's, I think, the ex-chief minister's granddaughter, Manohar Joshi.
Yeah.
Oh.
Granddaughter.
Even Bhumi Pednekar, no?
No, she's not Manohar Joshi's granddaughter.
Not that we
I don't think that's.
No, not yet.
But there is some
नया scandal
political.
बना रही है तू यहाँ
There
पे.
is some.
She's.
But there
Mr.
have been other
Pednekar.
CMs also. She could be
Hey,
some other
Ritesh
CMs.
Deshmukh
man.
also is.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Fully.
Huh, is he? Will we
know?
consider him
The
Nepo?
nexus of politics and
And
film
Bollywood.
and real estate we can deconstruct slowly over the episode.
Yeah.
But for me, the term came from the Coffee with Karan episode.
tolerant to outsiders and flag bearer of nepotism.
Exactly. They're
Kangs.
infamous.
Kangs. That's what
I'm
we
going to
call
be
it.
talking in short term.
Kangs, yeah.
Kangs talking about Neps.
With S-Dog. S-Dog was also there.
Saif.
Saif को और छोटा कैसे करे बोला?
Saifu.
तैमूर के
Saifu,
पापा.
yeah.
My
Saifu,
favorite.
let's
Yeah.
not
My
ignore it.
favorite.
Taimur के पापा.
तैमूर के पापा.
और दूसरा भी तो बच्चा है.
जे के
का-
डैडी.
जे के हाँ जे के
इब्राहिम
boss.
के
पहले
अब्बू.
भी थे, सारा भी है.
हाँ सारा इब्राहिम.
के जनक.
इब्राहिम भी है यार, मतलब हाँ.
All of every generation he has one, but he
Yeah,
had
he
a,
keeps joking that every
Every
decade
decade.
I've had a kid. Yeah,
he had a very straight face, no, when it was all happening because she was
he had to.
He तो calls it out also. He's like, why am I here?
Yeah,
he
he's
says
like,
it.
he
Yeah,
got
yeah.
awkward.
He had a
It's
bubble,
fun
brain
episode,
bubble
yeah.
moment. Yeah.
So-
So that's the first time we got introduced to it, and then
Huh, that time it
After
became
that,
like
it's
a
just been
huge
tiring.
thing or whatever,
Yeah.
right? Like
Yeah.
people started talking about it openly.
yeah.
Started tagging people as nepo or non-nepo.
Then it's only become that
outsider.
binary, na? Nepo,
Yeah,
non-nepo is the binary through which
then
we
there
assess.
are some out like some boundary people also, na? Like Vicky
Vicky
and all.
Kaushal.
he's boundary.
Yeah, because
Correct,
he
correct. Action directors.
Yeah, so
Quite
like
a senior action director. But
yeah, but I don't think he got the access as easily as a.
Because he
As
did
an-
Bombay
as a
Velvet and all,
Neps.
yeah. Like he really rose up.
Matlab you'll get
Yeah,
80
and he
gigs.
auditioned and like did the rounds of Aramnagar and all
Correct
of that.
80 jobs. Huh? He knows.
Huh.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It
and-
could have gone wrong. If Masan hadn't happened, maybe
Correct,
nahi
correct.
milta kuch.
Like I know he's done plays and all with my friends and stuff. So yeah,
Yeah.
उसने
हाँ.
struggled.
हाँ.
Not the best of
Apparently
plays.
Shahid Kapoor
Not the
also
one.
struggled and then got. Because he did Shamak Davar and all that for years. And then, no, we don't think
I feel
so.
like Mr. Toran, he's a tips launch, no? He's a tips
He's
launch.
a squish, na?
He's a Torani or a... He's, no,
Oh
he's
yeah,
a,
that.
he's a tips launch. Ishq Vishk is
Ishq
tips.
Vishk.
He was launched by Mr. Toranis,
So that's
हाँ, but
counted
was
as
that
privilege, क्या?
a thing उस time कि
introducing the next big set of stars.
अच्छा ऐसा था क्या?
but like वो तो विशाल मल्होत्रा भी हुआ था ना like one of the
Mambo.
people he introduced in that.
Vishal Malhotra is also, yeah.
But he's
Correct.
not nepo. I'm saying
Vishal Malhotra is Nepo.
how.
His father was an actor. His father acted in the movie Tapasya by Rajshri, which was remade
But does
as
this
Ek Vijay
count?
Sabi.
Is my now my
This guy's
question
on a
is this.
PhD award. What was my...
I know Vishal Malhotra's father. Vishal Malhotra's father
But
was
does
an
it count
actor.
as Nepo is an important question.
But does that count as nepo?
Okay, this is a good question to start with. What counts as Nepo?
Yeah.
Who doesn't count as Nepo? Is Purab Kohli is Nepo.
कहाँ से ला रहे थे
He's
यहाँ
Shekhar,
से?
he's Shekhar Kapoor's bhanja.
Shekhar Kapoor, the director, Shekhar Kapoor.
हाँ, Masoom, the innocent.
He's the kid in
Masoom,
that.
the innocent.
Dark the
If
I
Dharmesh
have a-
Darshan made Masoom.
I have a story of that. Sorry, this is completely digressing.
You have a story of Dagh the Fire?
No, like this. So, Dark the Fire, I think was one of the first films to have a tag, at least in our generation, ki aisa Dark the Fire. And it made no sense. Like, it wasn't Dark the Stain, you know? Like,
Yeah.
how does Dark the Fire, like, match?
Yeah.
And then one of my friends was like, oh, I get it. It's the arc, the fire. I was like, my mind was blown. I was like, maybe it is, you know, for all you know, it's
Dude,
like
that's going to keep me up for a very long time.
Dagh the Fire.
the arc, the fire.
This is the Sanjay Dutt movie, no? With
I don't know
Chandrachur
who's
Singh.
in it,
I've
right?
seen
No
it.
one knows. But everyone knows of the film.
I've
It's
seen
one
it.
of
It's
those
Sanjay
movies.
Dutt, Mahima Chaudhary and Chandrachur Singh, I think.
Oh, Chandrachur.
What random random
है।
knowledge you have.
I'm a Z Cinema product.
Cinema product.
I'm a मेरी फिल्मी मेरी भैंस को
Straight
अंडा
out
क्यों
of
मारा?
मैंने भी
Suryavanshi.
बहुत-
Pancham.
So we are drawing a clear line.
Yeah, like there are people who are sons and daughters of
Yeah.
like background actors
Yeah.
and all, you know. So
Yeah.
that should ideally wouldn't count, I think, as
So you're saying Vicky Kaushal is the line or Ishan Khattar is the line or where do we draw?
Ishan Khattar to had Shahid.
Yeah.
Like
Huh.
not like forget parents and all.
हाँ,
है
okay.
ना?
He had a brother. He had a
Yeah.
brother.
Yeah.
He had a-
Prolific, like as in well-known brother.
If
by
he
the time
didn't have a
joined.
brother, he would have just about as much access as say a Yashaswini Dayama or someone.
Oh.
Correct.
That is
correct,
the
correct.
right.
Yeah, that
है ना?
line. Yeah.
Perfect
Oh,
line.
very correct. Very correct.
Yeah.
Very correct.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or his brother. He would have had like the Shahid in the beginning.
हाँ,
But
or-
Shahid had
or his
Pankaj
sister.
Kapoor.
Pankaj Kapoor. Yeah. Not his.
Ishan
हाँ.
Khattar doesn't have that Pankaj Kapoor backing. No?
But he has Neelima Azim backing. Let's
हाँ,
talk
हाँ.
about the women.
Yeah.
Okay,
TV
okay
mom,
then.
हाँ? हाँ यार, फिर मर्द दिख रहे हैं
well
तुम दोनों को, मैं यहाँ
well
पे-
earned points. Well earned points.
हाँ,
Nice,
हाँ.
nice.
थोड़ा ना just broaden your horizons a little bit.
I know
हाँ?
we're
ठीक
too
है.
narrow-minded.
Look beyond
yeah.
the men of this industry a little bit.
So-
What is the greatest
हाँ.
nepo that you can have in the Indian film industry?
मतलब the one we like, you mean?
No, I'm just saying if you had to rank the top three,
Oh.
the top 3 of ये greatest nepotism के candidates
Greatest
हैं.
मतलब
Greatest, not in terms of talent,
Correct.
in terms of access and privilege
हाँ
combination.
हाँ like ये तो
Kapoors.
nepo है ही
जैसे
है,
Mr.
you know.
Mukesh Ambani is the biggest industrialist.
Correct,
वैसे
correct.
greatest nepo
Kapoors,
I
Ranbir
think the
Kapoor.
Kapoors, like,
yeah.
and the current lot, right?
Kapoors,
like Sara Ali
Bachchans.
Khan and the
Oh, Bachchans.
Abhishek Bachchan. They're all like
Bachchan.
privilege and
वैसे if you look at Hrithik Roshan then,
हाँ,
because
हाँ.
I feel like we should start the conversation
With the main
Hrithik,
cool,
na?
yeah,
main
solid
Dugu.
nepotism,
Let's bring up
yes.
Dugu in the house. Dugu is grandson of Mr. Roshan, great music director.
Correct.
Bhatija of Rajesh ji, who has made some of the amazing songs, and father who's big time director,
an actor.
an
at one
actor,
point, yeah.
Yeah.
an actor.
And son-in-law, ex-son-in-law also of actor.
Yeah, yeah. Sanjay Khan.
Let's not forget it. Prolific.
Okay, ठीक, हाँ, I guess, yeah.
But I don't
Zayed
think when
Khan's
he entered,
ex-brother-in-law.
they weren't married. They were
They were
dating.
married. They were dating. Yeah.
They were dating.
Yeah.
So, would you consider that to be the greatest Nepo launch ever in the history of cinema?
No, but I think they didn't like. If you remember, Kaho Na Pyare, na? हाँ, if you remember Kaho Na Pyare when it released, they didn't do any like marketing or whatever. They didn't like pitch him as the next big thing or
Oh.
even because again maybe I don't remember very well because we were
How
very
old?
young.
Yeah, you must have been very young.
And because I remember my sister, I wasn't allowed to go for films myself, right?
Huh,
Like as in only with parents or whatever. So but my sister she was much older, so she'd gone with her friends and all that. So she had come back saying, "God, that actor is so good. He dances so well. He acts so well. He's so good looking. This that." And we were like, "Con." And then she's like, "Are he's Rakesh Roshan's son." No, I don't think she said it. She said his name is Hrithik Roshan, something. And we were like, "Acha, okay." And she went gaga over him.
Yeah.
And then I think next ek do din mein Delhi Times or HT City or whatever, that at that time the paper was. Usme sabse upar, like there was a Hrithik Roshan, like A Star Is Born. And then that mentioned that it's Rakesh Roshan, he's Rakesh Roshan's son. So I don't think he was ever like pitched as...
What
I get what she's
What I
saying.
read is though that he had shot Yadein with Subhash Ghai.
that
And-
was before?
Haan, he had shot Yadein, and that when Mr. Rakesh Roshan saw the rushes of Yadein, he was like, नहीं, ये ऐसे नहीं निकलेगा. इसको ठीक से निकालना पड़ेगा, वरना प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी. So then he immediately wrote this like 2 version लिखूंगा, एक urban, एक अमीर, एक गरीब, 2 type की
हाँ,
positioning दूंगा.
रोहित and-
First half एक दूंगा, second half
Raj.
different दूंगा, अलग type के गाने. And then he quickly made Kaho Na Pyare to be like, wait, stall Yadein.
Good call
Let's
by
make
him.
him a star first,
Yeah.
and then like what you hear about Alia Bhatt having done or Highway and Student of the Year being shot almost around the same time.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
But apparently Dharma insisted that she won't become a star if Highway comes out first.
First, हाँ. So
we
let's launch.
Sauti,
हाँ,
and
yeah.
then you can be like, देखो ये भी कर सकती
ये भी
है,
आता
ये
अरे
भी
वाह,
one
yeah,
man.
like what a...
Which is what I've also heard. So Hrithik was a launch.
Yeah.
I just feel like it wasn't documented the way
It
it
was a
can be
good-
documented now.
Yeah.
Also, PR at that time was very different from like
Exactly.
today and all of that. So,
It was-
Yeah. Yeah.
but it was a good strategy. I mean, that doesn't deny the privilege and access that he had, of course. But
इतना
in
पैसे
fact,
लगे।
this was a strategy, right? Like
The movie is written for his launch.
Correct,
So
correct.
that is access and privilege.
It is
only.
serviced
Yeah,
around him. You
yeah,
can replace anyone else. You can
Yeah.
replace. I think they replaced
Replace
Kareena Kapoor.
Kareena,
also.
yeah.
Kareena was in it.
I think
Apparently
after-
She
think
said
they
no
shot also.
because she was like, मैं तो कुछ कर ही नहीं रही हूँ इसमें, it's a Hrithik film, so she bounced.
and chose refugee.
Refugee.
In
Where she had
fact,
a
if
greater
I'm
role.
not mistaken, this I saw in one, like, I don't know if I can name another YouTube show, but Only
You must.
Desis, you've seen the Only Desi movie reviews.
I've
हाँ,
seen,
only
I've
Desi
seen.
movie.
हाँ,
Yeah,
so in that only I saw that in one of the I think this song only kaho na usme in one of the shots, which is a really wide angle shot,
It's her.
it's Kareena,
Yeah.
it's not even
I saw this
Amisha.
on Reddit. Bolly
Yeah.
blinds.
Like it's just a very like blink and miss shot. So
Yeah,
if you
it's
know
there,
you'll
it's
see
there.
it, but
It's there,
otherwise,
it's there.
Kareena
But if you
do-
think about it, Kareena and Abhishek Bachchan, it's like Kapoors and Bachchans coming in a movie together, Refugee, and it still didn't do very well.
didn't it?
It didn't do crazy numbers.
But it did
or
well
anything.
for them. Like
It did
we all
well.
knew who
Did it?
Kareena and
हाँ,
Abhishek
हाँ,
were.
हाँ.
I did it well for Anu Malik.
अच्छे गाने हैं.
Nadiyan.
Yeah.
That is a big one.
Yeah. But that I think would be a quote unquote great launch. Whether it resulted or translated is a different thing.
Yeah.
But it's like 2 khandans coming together. Yeah, that's huge.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even Kaho Na Pyare, Bakul and Rajni Patel's granddaughter, Amisha Patel,
What off.
Are we not? We are talking
Why
about
do we
access
not-
and privilege.
what the
Amisha Patel's grandfather was a very senior gentleman, no, Mr.
Why do you
Bakul
know
Patel.
everyone's grandfather?
Because that's where
She
true
knows
privilege
the
comes
name.
from, na?
He
She
knows the
comes
name.
from immense privilege.
She was head girl of a school.
Yeah,
वो
she was a
privilege नहीं
gold
होता यार,
medalist in
economics.
economics. ये
Economics.
भी
But then
हमको पता है.
Ashmit Patel happened to their family little.
हाँ. But talking about that, and if you juxtapose a Hrithik launch, which was where the mechanics behind the launch was quite it was quite opaque.
Yeah.
Ki what's
Yeah.
really happening in terms of
Ah.
behind the scenes. Nowadays, if you cut to a more slightly recent launch, you know when they go very hard, it's very obvious what's happening, right? Like seeding virality
Yeah.
or whatever.
Yeah.
Like the Pahadia launch, I
Yeah.
feel. I don't know if you Maddock, God bless the production house. They're very big. They are number
I'm
one.
forgetting the name of the
So-
film. I remember it as Pahadia.
Skyforce.
Skyforce. There was Akshay Kumar also.
Correct.
I mean, he was
Correct.
One of the
Yeah.
the worst part of the film.
That's saying a
I
lot.
wouldn't know. I haven't seen.
Dude, it's so sad. The only thing I know about the film is that one Lagda dance.
Yeah. So that kind of seeding that was happening was weird because see when a
Yeah,
step
yeah,
goes viral, then a step goes viral.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
know. This whatever Veer Pahadia's leg move was, I don't think anyone at home ever did it. Na? Like, I don't know if anyone
Yeah,
was trying
no,
to
no.
replicate. मैं वीर पहाड़िया की तरह डांस करूंगा घर पे.
But you never know. Like maybe the Gen Zs are doing.
You think we are that cut off? हम उतने बड़े नहीं हैं.
I
हमें
have
पता तो
come to realize that there is a lot of stuff that I feel like हाँ ये अब कौन देखता है ये, and then I find out that नहीं यार बहुत लोग I have probably outgrown something. Or
But
whatever.
Ahan Pandey, you get right. We love Ahan Pandey, no?
We, why are you saying? Don't speak for me.
I'm speaking for
Yeah,
us.
no, don't speak for me.
We don't like Ahan Pandey.
I don't
in
know.
my
I
mouth.
haven't watched.
यार तू तो
बदला नहीं
You don't know?
No, मैंने नहीं देखी.
Oh, drip चढ़ रही है लोगों को
I know,
यार.
I
It
know.
was I
What's
saw
up?
the film.
I know all of that. I saw all
love-
those reels and
I'm a
Reaction
Mohit
people,
Suri
yeah.
Paglu. I love
oh
Mohit.
yeah.
I love
Is
his
Mohit Suri Nepo?
school of cinema. Yeah, I think he's related to the Bhatts.
Something I want to discuss was this. We usually talk about Nepo
Actors,
actors.
yeah.
What about directors?
Yeah.
Ayan
But my
Mukherjee.
favorite Nepo director, and I'm glad she became a Nepo director. As a
Zoya.
director, is Zoya.
Let's go. Same.
Yeah. There's
Same.
nothing
That
wrong
counts.
there.
Yeah. You don't mind that at all.
Nothing succeeds
Yeah.
like success. Now,
Yeah,
if you're
yeah.
doing well, then to there's no
I
tag
don't
of
think
Nepo
anyone
at
would have
all.
a problem with a talented wherever the fuck
Yeah,
you're from
yeah,
Nepo.
yeah.
Like no one cares. They should produce more kids, I feel. Like.
And yeah.
I would like
Like
that Khandan
Javed
to
Javed
continue.
Saab.
Why not?
I feel
Javed
it
Saab
might be a little hard.
I think those are
biology is
good
why
genes.
is why, but yeah, why not?
Maybe.
Javed Saab and
Did
Hanni Rani
Robert
ji
De
aren't even
Niro-
together and they're not. I don't even think he's with the genes that produce these two. He'll have to go to an ex-wife now and be like, एक और अगल.
IVF करते हाँ
तलफ़ुज़ में.
शांतनु यार no
I don't.
not allowed
You can't say तलफ़ुज़. I don't even know what that
Not with
word
that
means.
thing.
इस बात पे नहीं बोलने का जावेद साहब
Not
पे नहीं
this
बोलने का.
So favorite
Coming
Nepo
back.
baby, if we go round by
Let's do round.
one by one,
One
round
by-
robin of our favorite Nepo baby actor.
Actor.
हाँ.
Farhan
Actor.
Akhtar.
oh
Vikram Jay Singh. I'm an actor.
अरे
As an
ले लिया.
actor, we have named him as our favorite
Also.
Nepo baby. In a
I just
universe
love
where
him.
Ranbir Kapoor.
Please understand, all my opinions are hugely biased. So I will drop all my ideologies and stuff when I want to.
Farhan.
And yeah,
No
so for
facade of
Farhan and for
objectivity.
Shah Rukh's kids, all these.
Favorite
Acha,
Nepo
Shah Rukh's kids
actor is
also.
Farhan Akhtar has come. Man, this is a big
Interesting.
one. Shadi ke side effects you've seen.
I walked out of that
Desi
movie I really like him and
romance
Vidya
was
But
Balan
I've
even
seen Rock On.
कभी खुद पे हंसा मैं और कभी खुद पे रोया.
good one
Very good.
the
Rock on.
latest one you know
And
21
Zindagi. नहीं, 21 also.
21 is Agastyananda.
Achha,
Different
Not
one.
21, the Bahadur.
120
120
Bahadur.
Bahadur. Yeah.
Vedangla Pass. It's a crazy story. It's the same Hakikat wala movie ka war.
Indochina,
war.
yeah.
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा
Hakikat was good. You've not seen.
no
Good.
I-
yeah but
also-
Kajol and all also Nepo na we
Oh,
can
yeah,
say
Kajol
actress.
ne-
say
oh,
one actor
say
one
Kareena
actress,
also,
na? Say
Kareena
one
also.
you
Kareena.
Kareena
Rani?
Farhan
Kareena.
No, I'm saying
one
Rani
have
is
to
also
choose,
Nepo.
na?
Acha, your favorite
Huh.
female actor
female
is
and male she's doing
Neps.
Neps
Farhan and
Favorite
Kareena.
female Neps,
Neps.
is Kareena Bebo.
हाँ
and male is Farhan. Actor.
Hmm.
Interesting pairing also they would make.
hmm.
No?
yeah
They've never acted together.
Nice rom-com set in New York.
They were supposed to do na.
Kunal
Linda
Kohli
Raknojo or
before he lost his touch, ideally directing.
something. Jennifer Winget के साथ he's done one movie.
फिर से
He's done.
Kunal Kapoor.
Kunal
Kohli.
Kohli.
Kunal Kohli
He was
launched himself
actor.
as an actor
He
in
was
a movie called
actor.
Phir Se. Love After Divorce.
Good one. Yeah. Jennifer Winget is his ex-wife, I'm guessing.
You
I don't
can't say the tagline without tilting your head. Phir Se, Love After
After
Divorce.
divorce.
That's
know. You say yours?
my favorite Nepo actor. Now we're not
हाँ.
looking direct. I would
Say
say
actor, actress both.
Okay, favorite Nepo actress. Favorite Nepo actress is probably Alia Bhatt, without a
Oh,
doubt.
Kajol.
I love
Without a
Alia
doubt.
Bhatt over Kajol any day of the week. As an
Alia
actor.
Bhatt over Kareena Kapoor.
As an actor, any day. Alia Bhatt over them all. I love
Oh.
Alia Bhatt.
What chumka?
And favorite male,
Strong.
I'll go young because see Ranveer, in all some ways they are all Nepo. But
That's not in some ways. In every
मतलब they
way.
are
Yeah.
Nepo only. na.
Ranveer Singh is not
Haan,
utna.
Ranveer Singh is
utna
Nepo. It's in some ways.
Vicky Kaushal
privileged.
line.
Yeah,
privileged
Vicky
by-
Kaushal line,
Yeah,
little bit
yeah.
in the middle, but like made his way.
Amir
up.
wala
Yeah.
Hrithik,
Amir boy.
Ranveer.
Ha, privileged. Maybe
Amir-
not Nepo, but privileged.
Yeah. Favorite male Nepo. This is not based on talent. I'm talking about overall
Personality.
personality and vibe. I'm an AB Baby fan.
Oh.
I
I
thought you were
like
going
him.
for when the minute you said
Yeah, talent में
Favorite
ठीक है.
name
Last
favorite
film fair
AB.
he's won best actor.
Name favorite AB film.
I want to talk.
Oh, the recent
one,
one.
the third
Shujit
one.
Sarkar movie.
Favorite Abhishek Bachchan performance, I'll tell you. Yuva.
Yeah, you were.
Then number 2 is him in Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna. Then Guru. Then Bluff Master.
हो गया,
and
हो गया.
Bunty
Filmography नहीं
Bunty
पूछी.
or Bubbly.
Bunty,
5.
Bunty, Bunty.
5.
I like his swag era also. You know,
Yeah, yeah,
in
no, I
songs he
mean-
was just like vibing a little bit.
Yeah, Bluff
I like
Master, that thing
Only he
was
can
him
do this.
only.
He's
Yeah,
the
yeah.
most
Only he
likable in
can
the
Pulled
whole
it off
family.
because, like, what did he say? Only
He's the most likable in the whole family.
If I had to be friends with anyone in the whole Bachchan Khandan, I don't know
I pick
Shweddi.
Jaya. I want Shweddi.
I don't know Shweddi too well, but I would pick AB Baby.
I would want to be friends with Jaya. Ma'am.
तमीज से
Jaya
बात
aunty.
करो.
Jaya ji, I'm vibing with
थूकेगी
her.
I
कभी
also
आसपास
like
दिखे.
her.
Very
Yeah.
authentic energy, I
Yeah,
like.
she's like just, and I don't like the hate she gets.
Yeah,
like,
if she yelled at me, I would like it.
Little bit
as a feminist, I
Sudha
have
Murthy of Bollywood. I just want to
No, they are very different energies, dude.
I
Sudha
just
Murthy is very calm. Jaya Bachchan's like, bitch.
I feel like
Jaya
that's
Bachchan is
Sudha.
rarely calm.
Yeah, very extreme.
But I like it.
I love it.
Yeah.
I also think she's a very good actress.
She's fab. She's fab.
Never
मिली विली देख
contested
के
that. I
रोती हूँ
never
मैं crazy
contested.
की
I never
तरह.
said that.
Bachchan
very-
family में who's the most talented
Jaya
actor?
Jaya
Jaya
Bachchan,
Bachchan, Jaya
best
Bachchan.
actress, best actress
Jaya
Jaya
Bachchan.
Bachchan, second Agastya Nanda. इतना जोर से क्यों हंस रहे हो? अच्छा है. Second Agastya Nanda, third Ridhima Kapoor, Ranbir Kapoor, क्योंकि they are all connected.
They are related, they
वो
are
lunch वाले
I
वो
also saw that Netflix lunch
Dining
thing.
with the
Yeah.
Kapoors.
सब लोगों ने खाना खाया साथ में, बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत ऐसे
घी खाया है अच्छे से.
हाथ से खाते हैं को कितना ग्लोरीफाई किया हम लोग बचपन से खा यू नो वी ईट फूड विद आवर हैंड्स एंड ऑल ह्यूमिलिटी देख रहे हो मेरी हैं घड़ी मत देखना
That तो show
Patek
is only
Philippe
one
ignore
nepo
करो
show. पूरे show ही nepo है.
But
Netflix
the
ने
boy
show
was-
नहीं दिया है.
मतलब उन्होंने ही produce किया है.
but the
उन्होंने-
Jain
so
boys are
that's-
sweet I like them on the thing because we're talking nepo we might as well discuss Adar and Arman Jain
What do
जो
you know
उससे खाना
about them?
बनाया था।
No, I know. I know who they are.
Great
What do I-
question, Ashwina.
I'm like, how can you form an opinion?
I saw
about-
Lekar Hum Deewana Dil and Kaidi Band दोनों both their launches
Obviously, obviously he saw both.
of course I went and one of them was made by Imtiaz Ali's brother Nepo Arif Ali
yeah.
oh यार
we should also talk about siblings. Like, are they also nepos? Like with Pariniti be a nepo?
Yeah.
oh
Kriti Sanon, Nupur
ईशान खट्टर
Sanon.
जितनी तो है ही
Okay.
Kriti Nupur.
ईशान
हाँ,
खट्टर
हाँ।
जितनी करेक्ट हाँ
मतलब I don't know.
नुपुर
उनका क्या
सैनन
relation-
we
हाँ।
had नुपुर सैनन
Kriti Nupur.
But actor थोड़ी है वो.
नुपुर सैनन must be an
Video
हाँ हाँ
song.
she did
Video
केसरी
song
2
किया है।
केसरी chapter 2
अक्षय कुमार के साथ
She
ही
acted
वीडियो
in it.
देखी है.
yeah and also acted in a movie
She has,
केसरी
she's come.
Oh.
Not very clearly didn't make a mark.
केसरी chapter 2 was just correct me if I'm wrong about this if it was
Something
something
with Akshay Kumar she has done this much I'm certain
Music-
of.
I
don't
think
know what.
music video
है
था.
ना?
which
Some
was the-
Ashiki wala song it is one. It went very viral.
No, I don't think it's a
But it's-
film. I don't think she did a film.
if Nupur
Hey, you
Sainan
didn't
is
say
not
favorite
done-
Nepo Imran Hashmi. Shame on you.
favorite
हाँ,
Nepo
he's also nepo.
हाँ.
I love him
Yeah.
You know,
You worked with him?
no.
Shantanu, what's
I
so
haven't
exciting?
seen a single film of Imran Hashmi. Not even like Shanghai, not even
Dirty Picture, Ghan
Dirty
Chakkar,
Picture,
Hawarapan,
Ghan Chakkar.
Jannat, Ras 2, The Mystery
Recently,
Continues.
Hug
ये
is
बहुत
also
अच्छी
good.
हैं. Bhardwaj Rangan
And
gave
yeah,
Ras 2.
recently I realized I was talking about Imran Hashmi and someone said that, you know, you can have whatever opinion of him, but as an actor, something. And I was like, you know, actually, I don't know because I haven't like.
Yeah, you don't.
seen-
Raghav Juyal did that Imran Hashmi fanboy thing in
Correct,
Bands.
yeah.
He
Oh,
underplayed it.
Bads mein I saw Imran Hashmi.
He
There you go.
underplayed. He
Playing himself.
underplayed. I would have gone bigger if I was doing that
No,
part.
Bads is also another NEP's product and I quite
But
enjoyed
best,
it. Yeah, I loved
उनके
it.
बेटे के बारे में कुछ नहीं
हाँ,
बोलेंगे.
इस बात में.
Guys,
Man, you know, I teared
I
up.
have one tough question because we're discussing the line
No,
of
one
nepotism.
second, but we'll come back to him tearing up watching Bads because
You
of.
teared up.
Yeah, you
I
know why?
completely ignored.
क्योंकि भाई का लड़का
अब
सही
अपना
निकल गया.
बेटा
लड़का
है.
लड़का सही निकल
Oh,
गया.
हाँ.
Because it's such a big mantle ना. मैं अगर उनका बेटा होता, प्रेशर से मर गया होता अभी तक.
सही है, सही है,
अभी
सही है,
this boy लड़का सही निकल गया. अभी बस किंग में देखते हैं बेटी क्या करेगी.
Yeah.
But
मुझे तो I quite liked her in art.
1, 2, 3, 4.
This is full lack of objectivity speaking.
I saw it
No,
for
but
Dot.
you know, I was ready to like I watched the film. Film हाँ film.
Filmy,
एक तो film
मतलब
ऐसी
technically
है,
moving
हाँ,
images and sound, so it technically it constitutes.
No. So I was like, is it a film or a series? No. So I watched it because I was a huge have been a fan of Archie's comics. Then there was Zoya. So I was like, okay. And then there were all these people. I said, okay. But this is where I was like, pata nahi, I don't know, you know, whatever. So when I sat down to watch it, I did not watch it with an open mind. Okay. I was like, ye to bakwas hone wala hai, whatever. But I didn't mind it. I genuinely enjoyed it. And I liked...
So, but लड़का भी था एक रैना. There was a Rana in it.
yeah,
Vedant.
Fellow KP,
Vedang.
KP,
Vedang Rana. Yeah.
Vedang Rana was there in it.
Yeah.
KP.
Woohoo, KP
He was the
represented.
outside
Kashmir Pandit
representative
community.
also. He was the outside.
He was outside and he stole the show.
And he stole the show.
Yeah, there were two
Yeah.
outsiders. Na?
Yeah, the young
Mihir
guy also.
Mihir Ahuja.
हाँ, Mihir
Mihir
also.
Ahuja, Jughead.
Mihir Ahuja
There was a
and
third one
Vedang.
also who was an outsider. The
Aditi bhi thi, Dot. There were a lot of cool.
Dot थे
Yeah,
हाँ, चलो ठीक है
yeah,
मतलब it
yeah.
ultimately got known as a nepo product movie.
Why?
But because of the 3 launches, it got the tag
हाँ,
of a
the
nepo
movie got
movie.
known.
ना
I thought you were
हाँ.
saying Dot got
No,
known.
no,
as,
no,
हाँ,
no,
I was
no,
like,
no.
उसका क्या है?
Nah, theater के.
Manvi has liked
Manvi
Archie.
theater. Shehnaz Dot.
I like the...
We know. Even Dot is daughter of a theater. theater
Dot
में.
है,
Oh, yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Shehnaaz daughter. तो देखो वहाँ पे भी nepo है भाई theater में. देखो, but okay. So I've done. What are yours?
I'll give one non-obvious answer because it's really close to my.
मीज़ान
I
जाफरी
feel
मत
no,
बोल देना.
no.
हाँ.
Then Uday Chopra.
Your favorite nepo actor.
Not favorite. I'll reframe the question.
मैं
Because
तो
your
apologetically अभिषेक बोला है मैंने.
favorites. Your top favorites.
She's also, in her defense, she's also being apologetic.
हाँ, मतलब I'm
And for
saying
the
that I
sake
know.
of variety, ये बोल.
Little
More
bit. Otherwise,
apology.
obvious answers and all are there.
Yeah.
ना?
बोलो.
Obvious बोलूँ मैं पहले.
नहीं
नहीं,
apology
नहीं.
बोलो.
यार Uday Chopra, I think it was just not fair. I think he could dance. Okay, one thing is I think he could dance. I think he was good at comedy. I think he was decent overall presence on screen. If I have to compare him to current nepos, I think he was very talented.
Very talented.
I think he was
Compared to-
very good,
Which
guys.
current nepo are you comparing him to? No, but I did, again, I'm gonna like be on the fence on this one because I did enjoy Neil and Nikki a lot.
Yeah.
And
But the
again,
This
worst
hair- eye contact lenses. This hair.
clothes in the, and again, we were so much younger and impressionable and I was like, oh my
2
God,
ones are
this is
2,
what
2
it-
twos are 4. मैं जब भी calculate करता.
I want
well,
her more.
Hey, I'm the real, I'm the man, rock star, superstar.
I loved it.
उसने मुझे देखा, yeah. But I think he had a lot of potential, yeah. Like something was lacking in him, and I fully agree.
Not
but
bank
ऐसे
balance.
But who
दिल
doesn't
भरा-
have potential? Like,
No,
everyone in the
many.
world has potential.
Yeah, man.
I
Some
think
people
everyone
don't.
in the world has potential.
Uday Chopra ka
But-
kaun sa? It's not a loss. Uday Chopra is not one we lost to the dust of.
I think
You
so.
know, oh, ek
I
Uday
think
Chopra
he
reh
had
gaya
a
yaar.
charming quality about him.
But
which
who's
got
the one
under.
person like that? Like,
हाँ,
जो
say
एक-
ना one. you
अच्छा
know.
नेपो जो रहेगा हरमन
हरमन लगता है,
पवेजा
Oh yeah?
क्या गलती थी कि उसकी बाद में आया
गलती
पहले आता तो
गलती
ऋतिक के बारे में बोल
गलती
रहे
तो
हो
किसी की नहीं
नहीं,
है.
उसने
गलती-
कुछ ओरिजिनल ऐड नहीं किया. उसका पहला
वो
बहुत
है ही
second
वैसा।
round आया वो.
2050 no?
हाँ.
विक्ट्री ढूंढते
हाँ, Victory भी था,
डिश के
cricket
आऊं
movie, हाँ, हाँ,
डिश के आऊं व्हाट्स योर राशि
What's your राशि?
What's Your Rashi also.
Scam में
वो
भी
तो
था
मैंने
ना?
थिएटर में देखी थी.
हाँ.
Very
मैंने
good.
भी.
वो भी क्या दिन थे
13
जब मैं
Priyankas.
बॉलीवुड फिल्म देखने जाती थी थिएटर.
Yours
Great
is
album.
Harman.
Harman, we lost to the sands of time.
More than Uday, you think?
Harman over Uday.
Let's do a poll on this. I want to know.
My
Team Harman or Team Uday?
Who's
One,
your
first say.
lost to the sands of time?
Yeah.
between Team Harman and Uday, only because I haven't seen. I've seen What's Your Rashi, but that
Because
was more,
you've seen enough
yeah.
Uday, you should pick Harman. I mean, like, it's the opposite.
Neela Nikki.
Pyar Impossible.
Pyar
Ye
Impossible.
Mohabbatein, bro. Mohabbatein. I
Mohabbatein.
loved.
I remember.
Film, yeah.
It was
I love
West.
Mohabbatein.
Yeah. Only muscles everywhere.
Him and Shamita both pumping away iron before every shot.
But I loved the 6 newcomers. in that.
Yeah.
Jugal, man. for
Maybe
life.
Sharma
was their
bhi tha na?
target audience when
Kim
they.
Sharma bhi
Yeah,
thi na usme.
dramatic. Yeah.
प्यार करो.
Oh, yeah. Everything. She's a boss now.
Yeah,
She's
yeah.
a boss. She's the coolest woman in the
Who are you
world
talking
now.
about? Sorry.
Kim Sharma,
Kim
the
Sharma.
reinvention. She's like
Why? I
the
don't know.
best talent manager,
Oh,
boss
oh, really?
lady.
Yeah.
Nice.
She's the head of
Nice.
talent for DCA or whatever, or at least was.
Sorry, I said dramatic. These.
That
Yeah.
was
New
great.
nepos में
BCA
who do you
plus.
like? New वालों में? जैसे last.
No, first I wanna think of what's
Oh,
your.
your side
Achha, you
one.
said
मेरा तो
Uday
UD.
Chopra. And you said Harman, na?
Sands of Time.
I used to really like Rinki Khanna also.
Oh, cute. झंकार भी.
Yeah. And
जिस देश में गंगा रहता है.
that also. No, the first one. वो कौन था?
हाँ, वो वाला.
हाँ,
जो
Dino
बहुत
Moria,
sweet
Dino
था.
Moria.
हाँ, मस्त
इश्क,
मस्त
इश्क विश्क
मस्त
प्यार व्यार. No.
No.
प्यार
प्यार में
प्यार में
कभी
कभी-कभी.
Thank you.
Thank you, audience.
प्यार
In
में
the
कभी.
comments. हाँ,
प्यार
yeah.
में कभी. हाँ.
Her and I don't know if you'll agree with this, but I used to really like Esha Deol also.
Isha Deol was like Kiara Advani before Kiara Advani.
Yeah.
They look
I
very
don't know what
similar.
that means. No,
They look very
People say
similar.
this, yeah.
I
people say-
have said it to you so often. You
Yeah,
think
yeah,
people
yeah.
say it.
I
stop
don't
hanging
see
out with him. No one else.
But I don't
Only
agree
he
also. I
says
don't
it.
see it.
They
Yeah,
look very
very
similar.
good.
Just wait, put photo. See?
नहीं सी कहाँ लग रहे
तुम
हैं
लकी अली की फोटो देख रहे हो यार. यहाँ पे ऐसा है यार.
No, but you know,
Tell performance.
Huh?
Tell a performance of Aisha Dole that you like.
So that time I was too
Dhoom,
young
dhoom.
to gauge acting. My
Just
talent
vibes,
was
vibes.
about. My judgment was based on. She was when Dhoom happened,
Yeah,
the
yeah.
first one. So that was Ashley Lobo was he was whatever. I was in Ashley Lobo. I was and I used to look up to all these didis and bhaiyas like who were the instructors and
Dance
and they were also like and they were in that like they were in college and they were like those cool people you wanted to be like, right?
Yeah, yeah.
And they were all in that song. So like even now when I watch it, I'm like, oh my god, Sana, Justin, I keep like seeing them or whatever. And it was a huge thing in our entire like center where I used to go for classes. And like it used to be a big thing. We learned the choreography. We performed it in the summer workshop.
You went to
all of that.
Sanskriti school wala Ashley Lobo
No,
dance
Bluebells.
Bluebells wala
हाँ,
dance
हाँ.
works. Okay, हाँ.
So
Got it.
yeah,
My
so-
wife used to go to the Sanskriti wala.
Oh, acha, udhar maybe she was
वहाँ पे,
asking,
हाँ.
yeah. So and all these people, Justin, Jason,
हाँ, all
Sana, Shohini, all these people were there.
हाँ.
And I thought so. I had watched Dhoom already, having liked the film. It was one of those. I went to like it. And Aisha Deol, I thought looked so hot and danced so well and all of that. Then I remember there was this one. Some interview of hers which I saw where she talked about losing weight and and dancing
Yeah.
and all of the and I just like really liked her and I thought she talks like us. She's like one of us.
Okay.
Yeah.
minus the neps
yeah.
part.
She
Aisha
got
is-
coffee with
Aisha
Karan
is
also.
relatable.
That's my first like memory of her outside of movies, where I saw her
No,
talk.
I saw with her sister. And I think
her
that was
sister
another
I
thing
saw.
because I was
Ahana.
like, oh, haan,
Sister's
yeah.
very cute.
Yeah.
She slapped Amrita Rao.
Yes, even I know. I'm
Isha
like,
Deol or
yeah,
Ahana?
Isha Dole.
Isha
on
Deol's,
Pyar,
Hum-
eh,
Pyare Mohan
Pyare
said.
Mohan set.
Pyare Mohan said, but
This
she
is the big
slapped
thing.
Amrita Rao,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
later
yeah.
when they
Like, for
confronted
real?
her about
Yeah,
it in
she
an interview,
slapped
she went like, "Yeah,
Yeah.
she troubled
And
me,
she
so I
laughed and all,
slapped."
and Hema Malini was with her in the interview. And Hema Malini like,
She trusts only Kent.
No, but she said, yeah, she was irritating me. So I
हाँ,
thought,
मार दिया उसको.
yeah.
I
Access
also
plus
want this-
privilege
this
leads
Little
to
Yeah.
hot-blooded, na? And some of that,
Yeah.
it's in the blood.
No, I also want this.
If you could be a
card.
Neps baby of any Khandan, which Khandan would you guys want to be Neps baby?
Kapoors.
Huh?
Kapoors.
Kapoors.
Oh,
I want the eyes and I want that skin and I want that metabolism.
but if you are
Actually,
direct Kapoor, then वो लड़कियों को फिल्मों में आने नहीं देते.
oh, वो भी है उनका, correct,
ये
correct.
कुछ
yeah,
थोड़ा वो
yeah.
that little
वो-
patriarchy
हाँ,
is there, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
बेटियां, you'll have to wait a long time till you can go.
Or
Dubai.
take things in your own hands and mix and make it. Yeah.
खाना बना. Akhtars I would want.
Oh yeah.
Just to hang with both of them.
Yeah, just to be able to hang with my
हाँ.
parents.
I'd want to be a Pandey. Like Ahan's
इसको
brother.
आहान पगलू बन गया
Chunky,
ये
I
आदमी.
want to be Chunky or Chicky's son.
Son or nephew.
But then you'll be
Ahan is
Ananya's
nephew.
brother also.
कहीं भी उस फैमिली में कहीं पे आ जाऊं, it's
अच्छा,
fine
अनन्या
because you know
brother.
the pressure is not so high कि
Yeah,
अगर
yeah.
flop भी हो जाओ तो ठीक है,
That's fair.
क्या फर्क
That's a
पड़ता
good
है?
point.
Like after all,
That's a good
चिक्की
point.
पांडे का लड़का है, like
a
no,
good
it's not Shahrukh Khan's son or Rishi Kapoor's
That's too much
son.
pressure. Yeah.
But the pressure's not on you. The pressure's on your parents anyway. I don't think the Neps are taking pressure
I
as
think
much
that's
as
They
fair,
must be. It must be more. So the pressure on Suhana Khan to become a star and be a great actor is higher than that of Shania Kapoor or someone, na?
Correct.
Like, she'll
Because
be like,
the
मैंने
legacy
घर में
and
देखा
all that.
उतना सक्सेस देखा ही नहीं है मैंने.
हाँ,
तो
Also,
मैं-
people
हाँ,
already
fair,
know
fair.
you since you were like Chodu Buntu.
So I want to be
Yeah.
mid-tier
You know, Suhana
Nepo.
Khan used to be a fan of Dhoom Macha Dhoom.
Oh,
Can I tell you that story?
please
Yes.
do.
Because it has nothing to do with this
Nepo
podcast.
bus.
But just
Neps likes it. na?
just no, so we were shooting for Dhoom Macha Dhoom and Film City में कहीं पे हो रहा था and मेरा ना I had finished my shot like I was done for the day and I was waiting for my friend to finish because we used to go back together blah blah blah. मैं बाहर खड़ी थी ऐसे ही whatever and I see there was this one kid and this person in a safari suit or whatever, they kept staring. Then that person came up to me and he said आप किसी Disney show में आते हैं? I said yeah. He said ये आपकी fan है, आपसे मिलना चाह रही थी. I was like yeah, of course. So I'm talking to her like I like used to talk to kids or whatever, like fan kids. So I was like, hi, how are you? What's your name? She said Suhana. And I was like, hi Suhana. You know, I have no idea. I'm like, okay. And then I'm asking her, which class are you in? What grade? What school? All of that. And then that person goes, आपको पता है ये किसकी बेटी है? I said, मुझे कैसे पता?
आप बताओ.
Yeah,
जानते हैं मेरा बाप
मुझे
कौन
लग रहा है आप बताना चाह रहे
जानता है
हैं.
उसका
So then he goes, Shah Rukh Khan. And I was like, and then suddenly all the pieces just like fell into place, okay? And I was like, daughter's name is Suhana. And then I got damn excited and I've gone and called all my guys, jaldi aao. Shah Rukh's daughter is a fan of our show and they've all come and they're like, where's your father? Where's your father? And then this guy is telling us, nahi, inko, he's shooting somewhere, but they weren't allowed. That's why they're outside. Otherwise,
sweet.
yeah. And then he's like, wo bhi dekho, Aryan bhi hai wahan pe. And Aryan was like around maybe like 14, 15.
oldish.
Yeah. And he was playing football and all. I was like, ये बनेगा star. But yeah, anyway. So,
Sweet. Very cute.
yeah.
Very nice.
Meeting Shah Rukh's daughter also I would feel.
So Suhana,
like,
if you're watching this,
besties.
yeah.
I wasted an opportunity on being born to the Pandays.
Yeah.
I think I want to take that back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Saif.
Kapoors.
Saif.
Saif.
Saif also,
You want to be
yaar.
Saif's child.
I want real estate. I don't
Yeah,
want
yeah.
fame.
Patoli
Real
में है।
estate
देखो
and
मैं हाँ
Royal real estate.
भोपाल में कुछ 10-15 हजार करोड़ है, हरियाणा में है, पटौदी में.
इसने
Switzerland.
amount बता
जो साल में
Switzerland में भी बताओ और हाँ कितना क्या
साल
value
हाँ,
is assets.
starred.
Start. They like going.
Start जाते
They
हैं.
like to go. हाँ.
साल में एक jewel thief कर
But you
दो
want
ऐसे.
to be
It doesn't
Karina's
matter.
baby or with Amrita Singh? You want to
I want to be Karina's baby.
Karina से भी ठीक है. Double.
No, I
privilege
want to
मिलेगा.
be Saif.
You want to be
I
Saif.
want-
He doesn't want the question.
I want to be. He's Nepo. I want to be.
Yeah,
it's
Sharmila
the best
Tagore
lineage.
and Ram
It's
Patodi.
cricket and Bollywood. It's the
हाँ,
best
ठीक है,
kind
ठीक
of
है,
Nepo
ठीक
to
है.
have.
Okay, fine.
Mansoor Ali Khan Patodi and Sharmila Tagore both.
Does anyone consider this Boni Kapoor lineage as a thing?
Yeah, that's also Neps only.
You can't first get over the giggles over. You were just laughing at the
Why?
thought of Boni.
Boni Kapoor, Anil Kapoor combo plus Sanjay Kapoor, of course, because
Yeah.
now Shania is also doing films. Do we consider that?
They are rich
Yeah,
in the
that's
next
also-
generation. Their
No, we
father was
option-
also a producer. Surinder Kapoor was a producer.
Acha.
And they're distantly related to the actual Kapoor
Who do we think is the most talented that wala Kapoor?
in the Boni family.
Haan, Boni,
Anil.
Anil, Sanjay. Everyone's counted.
In that whole family.
But
हाँ.
Boni is not an act. I mean, how do you judge
Love
the talent?
Ranjan वाली
Boni is an
film में
actor.
है,
He
Love
was in
Ranjan
तू
वाली
झूठी मैं
film में
मक्कार.
है वो.
आए हैं वो.
आए हैं वो. I corrected
really?
myself. हाँ.
अच्छा, नहीं
He's the
No, but he's
father.
not an actor. That to be
Yeah.
fair.
No, I'm saying in the family, like
whole
combined
tree?
cousins and all that. हाँ.
Oh, what tree? Arjun.
Quick answer.
What the hell? Arjun Kapoor is a very good actor. Sandeep
I
or Pinky
like him.
Farrar, Ishaq Zadeh.
Actually,
I
Sandeep
actually
and
like
Pinky
him.
Farrar,
Yeah,
he's
yeah.
actually very good.
The
I love
liked
that
him.
movie. And
Haan.
I liked him in 2 States.
He
also.
doesn't get his due at all. It's so mean
It's
sometimes
mean,
what
it's
they
mean.
do
now,
to
though,
him.
it's just downright
It's disgusting.
mean.
Yeah,
He was
yeah.
amazing
Like
in
he'll put a
Sandeep.
picture of a sandwich also and
Kuch bhi.
people will...
Name 5 actors who is better than. Varun Dhawan, Aditya Roy Kapoor, Siddharth Malhotra. Name anyone else. Koi bhi hai. Any of these
Ahan
young guys.
Pandey.
Aditya Roy Kapoor.
You said
You
it.
said that already.
Haan, twice for him.
No,
He-
in fact, I wanted to be like, let's come back to Aditya Roy Kapoor.
हाँ. I think Arjun Kapoor has more range.
No, acha.
Finding
compare-
Fanny भी करता है. Sandeep Pinky Farrar, Ishaq
Gunde.
Zadeh, Gunde,
Gunde.
2 States. He's
Yeah.
done enough work for him to not
I
be
agree.
like itna
No
mocked.
reason.
Yeah.
He's today's Uday Chopra.
He is way better than Uday
Going
Chopra.
back to my lobbying for
I have a
Uday
thing
Chopra.
where even if you're a man, even if you come from immense privilege, if you gain weight and the audience will turn on you. He's battled his weight so long that when he was ripped in Ishaq Zadeh and all, people were like, YRF films, 2 States and all, Patla hai, Naach raha hai, he's going big films. The moment his weight started to bounce back and he got slightly fluffier as the films progressed, immediately they were like,
Flip
ye
happened.
kya useless actor hai, ye to mehnat hi nahi karta, Arjun Kapoor expressionless. That was
Yeah.
never the narrative with him.
Yeah. No, I agree. I don't think the hate is warranted.
Sid Malhotra is so bad, and yet he keeps getting revived bar. Do you know him? Are you friends?
No.
Yeah, I just feel like
The
Sher
only
Shah
way
revived
someone
his
can
career.
defend him is if
I
they
liked
were
him in
from
Kapoor and
defense
Sons,
company.
though.
Sorry.
अब शेर शाह से 10 साल एक्सटेंड हो गया करियर उसका अगर शेर शाह नहीं आई होती ना he would have been
Yeah.
Tata bye bye a while
Toodles,
ago
yeah.
but very passionately
Yeah,
after
wow.
my passionate
Yeah.
rant against Sid Malhotra
But Sid is not
Non-nepo.
neps. Huh.
Not
yeah
neps,
that's
not
what
neps.
ना
No,
तो
but I
आता ही
think
नहीं है
I
बाहर
give
वालों
extra
को
We're
points
talking
anyway
neps.
to
Outside, I
yeah.
agree. Yeah.
I'm
But
much
गंदे
kinder.
outsider. Who are the
I'm
worst
much
outsider?
kinder.
नहीं हम वो बात नहीं कर रहे वो अलग एपिसोड
एक और episode है और नॉन नेपो बेबीज पे
Yeah.
हम डिस्कस
Outsiders.
आम जनता
जस्टिस फॉर निप्स
दीवाने आम not दीवाने खास
No, but I'm very kind to
outsiders
outsiders.
I
give them
think
many
yeah,
chances
same
To impress me.
same
yeah
same
you are
I don't think it's even consciously done. I think I just give it just happens.
No, I do it quite
I also think-
You give points?
actively. I cut points for famous parents.
you're like you're like good acha you do that Very-
even if like bad actor you'll be like ठीक है चलेगा types
I'll be like, ठीक है मतलब
कोशिश कर रहा है अच्छा है हाँ.
मतलब देखते हैं maybe like because we give them the neps so many chances.
Yeah,
We give them like people take 11
Yeah,
films,
yeah.
12 films to kind of then we are like अरे बढ़िया acting. अरे of course यार अभी
कभी
12वीं
भी नहीं
film
होता
में
है
so
कभी भी
Kartik Aaryan you must love
I was just gonna ask but I
Oh.
was holding back right now
Rehan, all the way from LA. प्यार से peeps call me Ray.
that I'll tell you later.
1 month
He
ago
must
what
have-
did you think about Kartik
Why? What was 1 month ago?
1 month ago the scandal had not broken out
What scandal?
what scandal
we'll
Where
discuss
is
it
the
later
new
I
sca-
only
I
do
don't
this
know.
I do this to myself
no there was nothing there was something about
The only
him
scandal
dating
I'm
a-
obsessed with right now is the Victoria Beckham and
Ah.
Nicola whatever. Yeah.
मस्त
ये मेरे को
इसको
कुछ नहीं पता इंडिया के बाहर वाला कुछ
चल
नहीं
मैं
है
बताई मैं तेरे को इसके बाद बताई.
निकोल शर्जिंगर
No,
नहीं, not-
Nicole,
not the
his
singer.
daughter-in-law,
हाँ.
her daughter, whatever, their daughter-in-law.
डेविड की का बच्चा है
हाँ
बड़े
बहुत
चार
बच्चे
बच्चे हैं.
हैं it's थोड़ा कुछ it's K3G vibes
3 या 4 बच्चे.
like he
साथ में
one
रहते हैं
of the
सब
brothers
Buckingham Palace.
married a Kajol and they were like how can you do this
बंगाली
पागल है.
isn't it like that
Who's married? Brooklyn, you're saying is married? No, she's from a very.
but someone they were not approving of or
Brooklyn
something
हाँ,
like
they were
that,
not
na?
approving of,
हाँ,
but
हाँ,
not
हाँ.
because she
Not
was from
because she's
Chandni
Chandni
Chowk. It's just, in fact, on the contrary, because they both come, like, she also
अच्छा,
comes
अच्छा,
from a
अच्छा.
really, like, well-to-do,
गलत बोले मैंने
very, like, big socialite family.
तो इनका क्या लेना देना है वहां तो होता ही नहीं है इन लॉज का कौन सा प्रेम होता है वहां तो शादी
प्रेम?
करके अपनी जिंदगी जीनी होती है
प्रेम प्रेम
तो, हाँ.
तो इनको क्या सासू माँ को प्रॉब्लम है बहू से
हाँ
वो
सासू
ये-
माँ को पता नहीं मतलब आई डोंट नो इफ इट्स जस्ट सासू माँ या इवन ससुर
डेविड साहब खुद गुस्सा है बहू से
मतलब हाँ आई एम श्योर ही हैज
ये मैं पढ़ूंगा आई डोंट नो एनीथिंग अबाउट एनीथिंग आउटसाइड इंडिया
दैट साउंड्स लाइक अ यू प्रॉब्लम.
मेरे को सिर्फ जो पाकिस्तान में हो रहा है पता है थैंक्स टू
अरे
आदित्य अधर
यार ये कैसा है ये
He's
अक्षय
short
खन्ना is
today.
also nepo guys अक्षय खन्ना is
अक्षय
also
खन्ना
nepo
also nepo.
Okay.
Approved nepo.
I brought it back.
No, Akshay Khanna getting celebrated as if he's someone who didn't have access or privilege,
Yeah.
and he's finally getting his due
Yeah.
on the internet makes no sense.
No, but no, I
because
don't know if anyone's saying
वही
that.
तो बोलते हैं real star is Akshay Khanna, he's underrated, he's unsung hero.
Underrated?
Comments
Underrated, yes.
But because he's not got the hustle, he never tried hard enough to be
Exactly.
that. Like I don't feel he's a victim in any
No, I
circumstance.
don't think
No,
he
I
sees
don't
himself
think
as that
even
either,
he's
yeah.
claiming to
But
be
the
a
fan
victim.
base does now, right? That's
base
the,
does
The fan
anything.
base is
वही तो
questioning.
इम्पोर्टेंट है. मैं सिर्फ फैन बेस के लिए बोलता हूँ चीजें. For our fan. Our fan who is watching.
Mummy.
Mummy. No, she doesn't. Your mom. Your mom. My mom doesn't get the point of this.
She probably
She's like, क्या है? इसमें मिलता क्या है? What do people take away from what you do?
Oh no.
mute पे देखती हैं.
That Uday Chopra, justice for Uday Chopra is the takeaway from this
Justice.
episode.
Okay, so
You see.
So, और
you
क्या-
tell
और
us.
क्या हो रहा है?
You have a structure.
नहीं, you were saying ना something. कुछ तो अभी हमने बोल. He said something.
Akshay
which-
Khanna we were talking
Yeah.
about.
Yeah.
But I also had a random derailed thought. I was like, मैं प्रेम की
Rahul Khanna
दीवानी
also?
हूँ.
Sorry,
Rahul
Rahul Khanna
Khanna.
also.
Hot, hot, hot.
Yeah.
मैं प्रेम की दीवानी हूँ had 3 nepos. Even
Yeah,
then,
all
little-
3 were nepos.
Yeah, even then it didn't make a splash, no?
Yeah.
हाँ.
3 big nepos, yeah.
Hence
Kapoor's,
proved that
Roshan.
one, at least one
don't think that-
non-nepo you need.
One non-nepo to make a
Correct,
film a hit.
correct, correct.
Soti?
Vrijesh was there. in it.
Soti.
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 Soti had one. Soti 2 had no non. हाँ, it had Tara. It had
Tara.
Oh.
And Aditya also. Seal.
He's not. He's a non-nepo who seems like a nepo, na?
Who?
Aditya Seal. You know Aditya Seal.
Come on.
You don't know. You have that face. You're making that face like you have no idea who I'm saying.
Yeah, because I'm doing.
Student of the year 2 में था ना?
Student
There
of the
are
year
4
was
guys.
Tara, Tiger and Ananya.
Yeah. And one guy also.
अच्छा, मैंने देखी
Have you
है.
seen Tumbin 2? Tumbin 2?
I've seen Tumbin 1.
Have you seen
seen
एक
Khel
छोटी
Khel में?
एक छोटी सी
Khel
love
में?
story?
Huh?
एक छोटी सी love story?
The
Young boy.
Manisha को डाला है.
The young boy
I
in
just
that?
know that one
Sex scene.
Yeah, that also I know कि ऐसा हुआ था whatever. And
But
yeah.
the butt scene.
Yeah.
हाँ.
Acha.
Yeah. There was a
Body
butt-
double but.
Body double. They had to clarify. There was a body double.
Yeah, I mean I can imagine.
No idea what you guys are talking about. I'll do the Manvi expression, yeah.
So Aditya, okay, people who are actually not nepo, or people who are actually nepo,
But we don't know.
but we don't
But
know.
we don't
you
know
know
that they are
Yeah,
nepo.
secret
Ah,
nepos.
This is nice.
Let's
This
out
is
some
nice.
secret nepos.
Or either they're secret nepos or they are nepos but वो निकल जाते हैं like you know
Ranveer
सुमड़ी
Shori.
में, yeah.
I have one.
How's
Shraddha
Ranveer
Kapoor.
Shori?
Father producer, KD Shori.
Oh, in fact, I was going to say Coco,
Ah.
but again, she's one of those
Legacy.
positive,
Legacy.
So good, man.
positive
Yeah,
nepo.
yeah,
like
yeah,
you know,
yeah.
you don't mind.
But
yeah.
her legacy is amazing. She's
Yeah.
a big nepo.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Correct,
yeah.
correct.
Art house nepo, but Fab India nepo.
But she transcended the
Not
nepo.
Massimo
Yeah,
Dutti.
she's with like she's done
She's a
mainstream also.
she's transcended neps.
She's transcended.
Yeah. Shraddha Kapoor, what do we think, guys? Because nepo technically, but doesn't get called nepo. Because Shakti Kapoor's not.
Shakti was a big man.
Yeah,
Yeah.
many films he's done.
The line, Vicky Kaushal, you're thinking? Or
No.
That's what I was asking. Do we
Actually, I
consider
don't know.
privilege?
I don't know. I have a
Shak-
Shakti Kapoor story also.
Oh, tell na.
When I first
Always
moved
up.
to Bombay, तो हम लोग कोई Disney वाला? No.
हाँ,
No,
okay.
it's not dark. It's not.
Hi, kya go?
It's not.
Hi, kya go?
It's not going into a therapy session. No, when we first moved to Bombay, na, तो हमको like we used to, my friend and I were very, because we were under the impression, we were living in Andheri, which is like the heart of Bollywood, is what we thought. Okay, so we were like, यहाँ तो ऐसे ही दिखने चाहिए ना, like actors should be walking around or whatever market में and all that. But नहीं हो रहा था. But we used to keep looking, like my eyes and ears were always open to see someone famous. And lo and behold, I think within the first 10 days or something, we were in a rickshaw and we were going through like somewhere Lokhandwala ke aaspas, and I see Shakti Kapoor crossing the road. Okay, I have leapt out of the rickshaw. I've gone, Shakti Kapoor. Okay, and he also got
Ow!
and gives a fuck about my friend who was with me. She's like, उसको भी he's also getting surprised कि ये कौन है मेरा इतना बड़ा fan. And I was like, no, but you know, in my head, I was like, dude, Shakti Kapoor. But yeah, so
He's Kirorimal.
You
He's
made his
not
life.
nepo. He's not
Shakti
nepo.
Kapoor is KMC.
AMC players.
Really?
No, and
I didn't know this.
yeah, nepo and non-nepo and strong actor when he started out.
हाँ नहीं he
Oh.
acting तो I mean the
Satya pe Satya
characters
and all.
were
Satya pe Satya and all.
Yeah,
when he used to play
yeah,
innocent also, he
yeah.
used to play
No
it
one
very well.
questions the acting.
with Shakti.
Yeah. It was just that like
It'll take
controversy.
one Vanga role to turn him around. Suddenly they'll be like, Shakti Kapoor, the artist. Shakti Kapoor, the artist.
Underrated.
Underrated.
He needs one. in
How
that army.
fans will start then, you know?
ये क्या है? चड्डी और ये नाड़ा. I remember that.
Tushar or Uday, who you're like?
तुषार.
Uday.
Oh.
एक फिल्म है. एक
Tushar, Uday better actor.
है ना? Guys, I'm telling you, I'll change your mind by the end of this episode.
Eh, Rani.
He found himself in that
Yeah.
performance. Yeah.
Also, he's adopted a kid in real life and all that. So I can't separate the artist from their art.
Yeah.
I
Yeah, even I
refuse
can't.
to.
Very difficult.
No,
That's-
I choose not to.
You don't separate art from the artist. He's adopted a kid. यार अब मुझे कुछ कहना है देखनी पड़ेगी मुझे फिर से. I don't know. अब जीना सिर्फ मेरे लिए ही मैं आज रात को जाके
दोनों कितने similar
नहीं,
films
or
भी हैं.
just watch Golmaal over and over.
1, 2, 3, 4.
The
all
only
of them.
movie that
You know,
people
when I saw
appreciate.
Golmaal the first time, the first ही देखी. I
Best
think
one.
first two देखी.
First
मैंने.
One
Yeah.
is amazing, 4 is also good.
Not
Fourth
seen
is
the
which
fourth.
one?
जिसमें लॉजिक नहीं सिर्फ मैजिक होता है. With Tabu.
The Pariniti.
Actors बता मुझे.
Tabu and Pariniti.
Tabu
मैंने
Pariniti.
तुझको
Oh yeah,
देखा,
Tabu is the ghost
तेरी
and all.
हाँ,
Yeah,
Pariniti is.
Pariniti is the ghost.
Oh, sorry, मैंने नहीं देखी.
मैंने भी नहीं देखी. मुझे गाने पता
Basis
है.
trailer and other interviews, सब interview वगैरह
हाँ,
देखे
कुछ
मैंने.
सुपरनैचुरल एलिमेंट के कुछ
कुछ तो है.
प्रमोशंस चले थे.
हाँ. So 1 and 2 I've seen. So yeah, and मैं after I saw the first one at home I used to keep talking like this. Only my family was like,
तो शान बन
क्या
गई.
गलती कर दी हमने इसको. I'm like,
बॉम्बे नहीं भेजना चाहिए था.
आज मैं कहाँ.
Now this movie can't be made, no, in the same way. Why? I think they'll make it.
They are making, I'm sure. अगले साल आ जाएगी.
Golmaal 7, 8,
Oh
9.
my god. Maybe they shouldn't. That's what I
गोलमाल
said.
में अच्छा नहीं गोलमाल यूनिवर्स में स्पीच impediments and all
Allowed
they
है क्या?
हाँ that doesn't matter. They are
सही है.
punchlines. in
ठीक
that.
है.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
are-
their sensitivity can like yeah.
हाँ बाद में you have to because it is true to itself.
Correct.
Also,
Which
to
is
their
what one
credit,
seeks.
they make fun of everything. Like,
Yeah.
you know, all
Yeah.
disabilities.
Yeah,
They'll make
yeah.
fun of color, weight,
Of themselves
gender,
also. Yeah, the
everything.
joke
So
is
it's,
on
I think
themselves.
it's kind of,
Yeah.
they're pretty self-aware like that.
In the recent lot, there are some which didn't feel like a massive launch. For example, Junaid Khan was थोड़ा subtle chill launch
Correct,
हुआ है ना.
correct.
काफी Netflix पे हुआ पहली. फिर उसके बाद खुशी कपूर के साथ वो I watched that movie
Nadania.
also.
Love Yapa.
नहीं
Love
Nadania.
Yapa.
Nadania is Ibrahim Ali Khan.
Ibrahim and Khushi, yeah. I think they came together. That's why I keep getting confused.
Similar time. Yeah.
And both have Khushi.
Yeah.
in-
So there's one kind of launch which can be thoda subtle. It's just I'm trying to be an actor and all that. And then there's the big splash launch, na, which I would consider like a Janvi Kapoor, for example.
Correct.
It's a big splash.
Yeah.
Do we lean more towards the former or the latter in terms of we like it more? What kind of launch do we want Neps to
Junaid
have?
is more strategic. Junaid has done 3 films. One is the Thinking Man's Netflix film about a social issue.
Yeah.
The second was a remake of a Tamil kind
Yeah.
of young
Yeah,
drama
yeah.
comedy.
And North India.
And the
energy.
third one is a full Korean, full romantic film ka remake. So he'll be positioned as a slightly comedic
one is
hero.
this, the one
Ek
that's
Din,
coming
with
out,
Sai
yeah.
Pallavi.
Sai,
With
yeah.
Sai Pallavi. So that one will be the full romance splash of a Korean remake. So I think they've covered.
And
they-
he's
All
underexposed,
genres,
na, if
कि
you think
किस
about
में
it.
चलेगा that's what the positioning will be that ना कि जहाँ बैठ जाए फिर वो ट्रेन
हाँ,
पकड़ के
हाँ,
आगे
वो
बढ़ा.
track
Also, you
निकाल.
He
don't know
works a
much
lot on
about
stage
him.
and all, and he's
Yeah.
pretty
He's
solid
quite,
on stage.
Yeah,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
he's quite like intelligent
Solid.
and he's a good conversation.
Might be a
He's
problem.
funny.
Might be a problem. I think he's so staged and so anglicized. that
Imran Khan problem.
That little coming into that little mass hitting B tire, C tire might
You know,
become.
this I also wanted to also talk about that. I don't like. My thing is with the Neps. The thing is when they try to do something which is out of their comfort zone.
Yeah.
I mean, do it in your 7th, 8th. film. I mean, once you've established
Very
yourself as an
correct.
actor.
The Sara Ali Khan conundrum.
No, I had some other name in mind.
Okay.
Which I, no,
Who's all that?
my thing is like stick like because when they do films or stuff that is
Rooted and
familiar
all
to
that.
them or like close to the world that they've lived,
Yeah.
then they're not bad. Like,
Janvi.
no, like I'll
Who
tell
are
you,
you thinking?
Ananya in what is
Ho
that?
Gaya Hum
Gehraiya. Gehraiya thi na, wo Siddhant and Deepika.
Yeah.
Usme there's this one scene. All you need is one scene to tell whether an actor is an actor or not. There's this one scene. She's done it so well. Like they've gone to, like Siddhant and her have gone to Deepika and her boyfriend's place,
There, yeah.
whatever, and it becomes very awkward. And then they leave, and she's come out, and she doesn't know them directly. She knows them through Siddhant. So she's come out saying, dude,
Yeah.
what did I say? Like, what happened? It was one of those things. And she's done it so well because it's, again, I'm sure she's experienced that situation or has seen that situation. So I'm saying if they stick to the word.
She does it
then-
very well, Ananya.
Ho Gaya Hum
Yeah.
kahan?
She
So
picked
she's
Ho
good.
Gaye Hum Kahan, this. She picks
She
a lot
didn't
of
pick,
projects.
she also
Role.
got the choice to pick.
Yeah.
हाँ but उसमें भी तो कुछ भी पिक कर सकते हो.
नहीं,
You can turn
50,000
around
की
and be like,
टीम
मैं
है यार,
कारगिल girl
50
करूँ.
लोगों की टीम
But
होती
she's
है
done
to
that
read
also.
and decide
Also, she's
what
done
to
that
do.
also.
What has she done?
These like big budget dancing films. She's done that Vijay Deverakonda. She's tried
Only
her hand.
mistake.
yeah, that
Only
one.
wrong step was
No,
like.
she's given quite a few. Matlab, ऐसे I don't remember the names.
Even that
but-
Bhumi
No,
and
she's
her
not.
film.
That's why you
Yeah.
can't remember.
Arey, the latest one with Kartik Aaryan, yeah, where she's like her
Yeah.
big thing was that I'm the glam girl or whatever.
But she can
can't
do
do
glam.
She doesn't pull
Bhumi
that
and
off.
Of
Bhumi
course she
and
can
her
do.
वाला बाहर वाली घर वाली
पति पत्नी और वो.
पति और वो. I said घर वाली बाहर वाली. I said.
But she can
Yeah.
do glam. I don't think glam is the problem. She can do a dharma
You
glam
have to be a
role.
good dancer and you have to do all of that. No, that's not there. Like,
But this is more like
She
say
not- I
Sara
think
Ali.
she's a decent dancer,
Yeah. I feel like Sara Ali Khan picking roles like Love Aajkal 2 or picking roles like the Ae Watan Mere Watan or picking these films that are clearly out of your comfort range and then getting exposed is a bigger problem for someone like her or Janvi.
But I have a
doing
feeling
Hindi.
about Sara na, that she's gonna do a
She's cool.
flip. No, because she's cool, she's gonna do a flip like Saif. Remember how Saif also initially
It
everyone
took a
wrote
decade.
him off.
I
It
like
took a
her and
decade
this
or two.
love.
Yeah,
It took
wow.
15 years.
How
It
much
took
ever.
15 years it took.
Yeah.
It took not only that, it took multiplexes to open.
yeah.
कि,
the socio-economic
urban center में hero
context of
बनाएंगे
India
इसको.
had to
We've got
change.
AI now, so maybe that.
He'll
will-
be next. VR hero.
No, but I genuinely think she's gonna do a flip and maybe.
But
like
they
her
played
part.
safe. No, now social media tears you
They
down
didn't
so
play safe,
much.
they played Saif. Sorry.
Oh,
Sorry.
very good. But now she's doing only these Rohit Shetty type films because that's
Life
what
in the
happens.
Metro,
once
she
you-
did. It was good. She was good in it. I too liked.
That's what done Netflix OTT release or she'll do a Rohit Shetty the end.
What about like people like Babil? He's also Nepo,
Ah.
but he's nice. And he's Irfan son.
Soft
you know?
Irfan
Nepo.
son now
इसमें
I
तो
can't
ज़्यादा
be,
दिल आता
yeah.
है
Yeah,
उसी
exactly.
बात
It's
पे.
hard to be like
Yeah,
not like
yeah.
him. Yeah. I have not seen anything, but I like him.
I've seen Log Out.
Okay,
It's
okay,
quite
okay.
nice.
So what else?
That was my big last question. It was like this splashy. I think they should be underexposed. Is my takeaway. Ki don't expose yourself too much. Do films and stay quiet, and keep doing movies.
Who is the Nepo
don't
to
know.
watch out for as a parting thought?
Nice.
Who do you think is the Nepo who will take over in the next 5
Your
years?
answer, everyone knows.
Trying to see कुछ दिख जाए इनमें से.
Uh,
Nepo too. Watch out for.
It can be old Nepo also.
है ना?
Like a
अगले
comeback
5
king.
साल.
Like I'm
Bobby
personally very excited to see what Aryan Khan does next.
हाँ.
Like I'm genuinely, I don't know if there's going to be a bad season 2. There
Raj
apparently
Comics के rights लिए हुए हैं. I've heard वो
I've
Marvel
also
Marvel
heard, but
बन-
I don't know if he's again like, is he doing a film? Is he doing a series? What is happening?
It'll be big.
Yeah,
It'll be fun.
I
no
want
doubt.
to like. I'm curious.
I'm very
and
excited.
you're rooting hard also.
हाँ, he's
yeah,
talented.
yeah.
अच्छा बनाया.
कुछ
Yeah.
तो हाँ, like
अच्छा
that
बनाया.
was damn fun. Yeah.
He's a lot of fun. Okay, Aryan Khan from you. What
You
about
say? I'm
mine?
thinking.
Mine is definitely Ahan
Ahan
Pandey.
Pandey.
In fact, my petition is stop all these Hrithik Vithik, Ranveer as Don. Make Ahan Pandey the next Don.
Oh yeah.
I'm saying Ahan Pandey or Laksh. I also like Laksh a lot, outsider.
But हाँ, but
My-
he's
But
not
Nepo
Nepo.
question
No, no,
We're
no.
talking about Nepo.
I'm saying one.
Outsider तो मेरे पास list पड़ी है of
अलग
people like
episode है,
that.
मैंने
ठीक है,
फिर से
लक्ष्य की
बोला
बात नहीं करूंगा, but I love you, Laksh. You're also very good. But Ahan Pandey is the future.
कृष कपूर आज के बाद ये नाम नहीं भूला.
I'm done.
The future.
The future.
Huge.
I'm thinking.
We'll stare at you.
Yeah.
I'm thinking.
I
Because I've
pretend
said
to
Uday
drink.
Chopra like 20 times. So I
Don't
can't-
say Uday Chopra to look out for in
Now,
the future.
in the
yeah?
future.
Yeah.
In the future.
Why can't he have a Bobby Deol moment? I think he could.
So you're okay. So you're
I'm
saying
hoping.
you're hoping that he gets a
Yeah.
Vanga film and
But Uday Chopra never had the Bobby Deol ka past, huh? Like Bobby Deol had a
I think
had a
there is
prime,
some community somewhere that loves Pyar Impossible, and I'm part of that.
but it was
community.
Bobby was had a
There's
massive
a community
leading-
that loves Neil and Nikki.
There. See, we'll make a club of how many
And
other people.
Mohabbatein.
I like
Yeah.
Charas.
Charas. There he
Nahi
tried to
dekhi.
do thoda aisa like.
Drug
I didn't like him
movie.
in Dhoom though.
I
but
know.
I like
Oh really?
Ali, na?
Yeah.
I love
I
Ali.
liked him
I
in
love
Neil and
Ali.
Nikki and Mohabbatein.
Kya re mummy?
Huh, he's so good, dude.
I played him in the AIB sketch on Doom.
That's why you know these lines also.
Yeah, I did a lot of. I was,
Dhoom, but I like
did
the I've liked the women throughout. Anyway, sorry. I'm
Bibs
तो
also
बातें
hottie.
कर रहे हैं.
so you're betting on?
I want Uday Chopra to have an Akshay Khanna Bobby Deol movie.
Okay, and who? But like from the current or whatever near future.
Oh, current. Not vibing.
No one.
Not vibing at all with any of them. I get tired looking at them. I'll tell you what my problem with them is, which I'm not part of this industry, so I can say whatever. It's like they talk too much about how hardworking they all are. I find that very tiring.
Hmm.
Like if before your movie I know how many bones you broke, and like you know I don't want to know that.
Yeah.
Just do the work, and I'll see you on screen, and I
I'll
like you
see
for
the
it.
hard work on screen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't want to know what the fuck you did in the prep. It's
So you're
irritating.
still sticking to Uday Chopra?
Uday Chopra never did that. He never told us he went to the gym 5 times a week.
क्योंकि
He just
गया
went to the
नहीं,
gym.
उसने की नहीं मेहनत करी नहीं बंदे ने तो झूठ क्यों
If
बोलेगा
you've
जब
seen
मेहनत-
Mohabbatein enough, you will see he has ripped muscles and he definitely went to the gym. But he did not harp on about it. And I respect that a lot.
But that's also because we didn't have social media at that time.
She's doing this thing, and I think it's really convoluted and fucked up. She's doing this thing by constantly saying Uday Chopra. She's making herself seem accessible to the men in the comments.
What
so
the
like,
fuck?
इसको Uday Chopra पसंद है भाई. चलो लो DM करते हैं. You're
I
doing
don't think
something
Uday Chopra,
disgusting
I
here.
don't think Uday Chopra
Why do you
caters to
think men
himself.
would be attracted or whatever?
You are
they would
doing that to
like?
all the Ahan boys and yeah, fucking Sayara Paglus. You are baiting them.
I'm betting. I'm figuring out your strategy
Yeah.
also. Uday Chopra पसंद है उसको.
You see the world the way you are.
Prathamesh
that's
is
why-
commenting. I don't know, Prathamesh.
I think Uday Chopra will only. He has a very fun Instagram account also, guys. Please go see it. It's very
Please,
fun.
If Uday Chopra and Ahan Shetty comment on this video.
And Shetty bana diya.
Ahan Shetty is commenting on all Instagram reels these
Oh.
days, na? If Ahan Shetty and Uday Chopra
Sunil Shetty's
comments on
No, but
comment
I'm
on
like,
this
but is he
video.
doing this?
No idea,
Yes, it
man.
is for Border 2 promotions. It's a new trend on
I
Instagram.
got a Neps thing that
Yes.
Jamie Lever.
Yeah.
I'm a fan.
Yeah,
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
a big fan.
I agree.
I'm a fan.
Jamie
Big
Lever
fan,
is
big fan,
amazing.
big
Jamie
fan.
Uday
Lever,
Chopra and
amazing.
Jamie Lever should come.
Lots of love to Jamie Lever.
Yes.
Yeah.
The best offspring of Johnny Lever. Even the son is nice, Jesse
Yeah,
Lever.
yeah, they're
but
both chill.
she's amazing.
He was there in K3G also, the son.
Yeah,
Yeah, what?
You know that scene where they're like, कहाँ गए? कहाँ गए?
मैं भी जाऊंगा वो लंदन गए
हाँ.
एक दिन मैं भी जाऊंगा that boy.
घसीटा कराम का
अरे,
थोड़ा
अरे,
खिस्सा हुआ है.
घसीटा का लड़का.
Oh,
So on that beautiful ode to Johnny Lever and his
Yeah.
offsprings, we must take your leave. Thank you so much for watching. Comment in the or comment on this video saying you hated all of Akanksha's opinions and that you would want Manvi to come back and
Yes,
say
this
Ahan Pandey is the future.
Outsiders episode करेंगे.
And yeah, and support outsiders.
Tell Manvi to come back, but this time discuss outsiders with us because that's what we are. One trick ponies. Only two sides to this coin of this conversation, which we will do in our
Yeah,
next
This
episode.
binary existence.
Binary.
Yeah.
Zero
Also
and-
replace Nepo with Nips. I think we found a new.
Like, share, subscribe.
It's too similar to.
Yes, it is. It is.
Oh.
You are not hiding. What's up? Camera. Everyone will see you go nep.
Also, I'm wearing a mic,
She
and I almost went closer to the mic. and I
whispered
said,
it into this. Thank you so much, Manvi, for coming.
Thank
It was a
you.
pleasure. The pleasure
Thank
was all
you.
ours. And we are over.
Dunzo.